Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good mornings. Okay, so today I will share some tutorials how to make different set of questions. Okay, if you want to use the quiz platform, okay, to do your midterm exam. Okay, so what you need to do is go to your course, okay, and then go to the questions bank. Okay, so in your question bank, make sure that you already create your questions in here. Okay, so when you already done created your questions, so we do have a lots of questions, numbers of questions in the question bank. So I will use the default category, okay, question bank by Dr. Zulisman, okay, for these tutorials, okay, because he already insert, okay, 110 questions in his questions bank. So I will use his categories for this tutorial. So first of all, you go to the categories, okay, and then you create categories for the selected questions that you want. You're going to ask the students, like examples that compulsory questions, okay, that need to be tested among the students. Okay, so go to the add category. Okay, I go for Dr. Zulisman, okay, and then names. Okay, let's say set questions, set question 1. Okay, so I add category, then I take another one, set question 2. So I do have two set of questions, okay, which is I will try to set that different students will get a different set of questions. Okay, so when I already edit the category, okay, I go back to the questions, okay, under questions bank. Okay, so I will use the default for this main category. Okay, so from the 110 questions, okay, I need to select, okay, which question will be the compulsory questions that need to be answered, okay, by the students. Okay, maybe the strong questions, okay, just pick, okay, because it's just a tutorials, okay, just want to pick, okay, 5 questions. Okay, so these 5 questions, so I move to the first category. Okay, so I move. Okay, now for the first set questions, okay, I do have 5 questions, which is will be the compulsory. Okay, and then for the seconds, okay, from the defaults, I pick another 5. Okay, just pick 5. Okay, this one will be the compulsory for set 2, and then go to the set 2 questions. Okay, so as you can see in here, for set 1 I do have 5 questions, and set 2 have 5 questions. Okay, now already set the categories and different set of questions. And now I'll go to my page bank. Okay, and I select which weeks that I'm going to conduct the midterm exam. So let's say in weeks 8. Okay, 8, so I add activities and resources, quiz, add, So midterm exam, okay, answer all questions. Okay, then you put your times. Okay, let's say, okay, maybe 30 minutes. Okay, layout. Okay, new page for every question. Behavior of the questions, shuffles, yes. Clearance. Okay. I would like to put extra restrictions. Okay, so I put password, okay, to avoid student to enter to this midterm exam, okay, before start off with it. Okay, so just put the password, make sure that you remember the password. Okay, and then or you also can put restriction access, okay, by dates, okay, or a selected group of students that are going to answer this midterm exam. Okay, so save and return. So in my ULearns on week I already insert the midterm exam. Okay, so what I need to do is do some editings. Okay, we still need more questions, so edit quiz. Okay, so at the edit quiz platforms, okay, for the midterm exam, I click to the random questions. Okay, so random questions. Okay, so the question will be random from the defaults. Okay, under this category. Okay, at the same time I already create two different subcategories just now, so these two subcategories also will be included in my midterm exam. Okay, number of random questions. Okay, I would like to have my midterm exam to be answered perhaps 40 questions. Okay, so the computer will generate the questions, okay, from the 100 questions, including the subcategories that I already created just now. Okay, so add random questions. Okay, so these are the question generated by the computer. Okay, randomly. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Thank you.